Most people think push-ups are easy until they try to do one properly. Weak wrists, poor core strength, and bad form stop beginners fast. But here's the truth. Almost anyone can learn push-ups in 30 days with the right progression. Want to finally master real push-ups? Watch until the end, because each week builds the strength you're missing. Week 1. The biggest reason people fail push-ups is not chest strength. It's weak core stability and poor body alignment. During week 1, your goal isn't doing perfect push-ups yet. It's building the base that makes them possible. Start with wall push-ups and incline push-ups. These reduce body weight while teaching proper posture. Focus on keeping your body straight like a plank. No sagging hips, no flared elbows. Your core must stay tight, and your shoulders should feel stable, not strained. You'll also notice wrist discomfort and shaking arms. This is normal. Your stabilizer muscles are waking up after years of underuse. Planks and shoulder taps become your secret weapon this week because push-ups are actually a moving plank. By the end of week 1, your nervous system learns the movement pattern. Push-ups stop feeling impossible and start feeling achievable. You may still struggle, but now your body understands the exercise. Week 2. Now the muscles begin adapting. Incline push-ups become easier, and you can slowly lower the height of the surface you push from. This week focuses on volume and consistency. You'll notice your triceps, chest, and shoulders getting sore, but in a productive way. Strength gains start happening quickly because beginners adapt fast. Your core engagement improves, and you stop collapsing halfway down. Breathing becomes smoother, and your reps increase naturally. Many people reach their first proper push-up by the end of this week. Even if you don't yet, your strength has doubled compared to day 1. Week 3. This is the breakthrough week. With stronger stabilizers and improved core control, full push-ups become possible. Your reps may still be low, maybe 2, 3, or 5, but the mental barrier is gone. Confidence rises fast. Your posture improves in daily life because your upper back and shoulders are stronger. You'll notice visible muscle tone in your arms and chest. Push-ups now feel like a skill you own, not a challenge you fear. Week 4. In the final week, endurance improves dramatically. Sets feel smoother. Reps climb higher, and your form becomes automatic. You may go from struggling with one push-up to completing sets of 10 to 15. That's the power of progressive training. Most people can't do push-ups because they skip the progression. Follow the process, trust the weeks, and in 30 days, push-ups won't beat you anymore. Now, if you find my video helpful, watch my previous video which explains what happens to your body if you do push-ups instead of running. Also, don't forget to subscribe my channel.